Bajato Presents. Tail lamp assembly 5 chambers. This is TL322. This is a nice lamp with 5 chambers. We have a bulb in all the chambers. This is a flat base universal application lamp. You can use it in any truck or trailer. It has 2 bolts here and the center distance of the bolt is 152 mm. There are 3 variants in this lamp. This is TL322. It has a plain lens with a reverse function, indicator function, tail stop function, and rear fog function. The thickness of this lamp is 80 mm. We have the second variant of this lamp, which comes with a prismatic lens. This is TL361. This has the same functions and similar lens as 322, but this comes with the prismatic design. It also has a reflex reflector here. There is a third variant of this lamp, TL337. This is known as a disco lamp. Here we have an oblong lens. There is a reverse function, indicator function, tail stop, and rear fog function in the middle. These are excellent lamps for trucks and trailers and also for buses. You can use this lamp vertically also, like this. This is a strong and reliable product from Bajato, and when you buy this you get value for money and long product life.